Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
With the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, Samsung has also launched what it calls the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These are obviously a take on the Apple AirPods and the entire series of wireless earphones that have been coming into the market since the huge success of the AirPods. They work similarly and we gave them a spin. The buds, as the name suggests, are earbuds that go inside your ear, connect wirelessly to your Samsung or any other Android or even iOS device and work perfectly well. The one good thing Samsung has done is that as soon as you take the buds out, they connect automatically to Galaxy devices. And that's something you've seen with the AirPods, and it works similarly with the Galaxy devices too. The audio quality of the earbuds are good, but they are not great. I've heard better audio on earpods before. They also work single piece, which means you can use it just one to take a Bluetooth call, and that's quite easy to do. Also, with Bixby integration, it means there is a lot of AI elements coming in. You can just ask your buds to search something, to tell you something, to play a next song. It works quite well and it's very easy to navigate. Also, another interesting feature is the fact that you can use your Samsung Galaxy S10 series device to charge the earbuds using the new technology Samsung is calling PowerShare. Overall, this is a pretty interesting mix. Buy it if you're investing your money on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or the S10.